What if I told you there's a cut of beef steak that is just as tender, just as flavorful, but half the price of a ribeye steak? Welcome back to Bakes Foods. In this video, I'm going to share with you a lesser known cut of steak, the chuckeye. Now, many butchers, when processing a chuck roast, will cut out the chuckeye and keep it for themselves because they know that they can fetch a much higher price with the ribeye while still keeping that nice, delicious, tender chuckeye steak for themselves. But you can see the amount of marbling that this has. It's very similar to that of a ribeye. $8.99 a pound. This is regular price at my local grocery store. Ribeye right now is going for about $18 a pound. So I welcome a cheaper meat. This steak is great. If you've never heard of it, if you've never tried it, give it a try. So the real question is a chuckeye better or as good as a ribeye? In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to cook it. We're going to cook it in a cast iron pan on the stovetop, get a nice even sear, and then we're going to cook one on a charcoal grill to get that nice smoky flavor. In this video, I'm just going to be using salt and pepper, but you can use your favorite steak seasoning. Montreal or Chicago style is always a good option. And we're going to salt this generously. So we've got our chuckeye seasoned. I'm going to go ahead and leave these out for about an hour so that flavor can really sink in. I'm going to use this time to start my charcoal. So we're going to let this steak rest for a couple minutes here. While we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and preheat our cast iron pan to medium-high heat. One thing I love about cooking on a cast iron pan versus on a grill, the cast iron pan just sears the steak a lot more evenly and it gives you a nice crust. So you know we got to try it while it's still hot. Chuckeye steak. Chuckeye steak, you guys, is so tender, so delicious, so good. I can't stop eating this. So is chuckeye better than a ribeye? Well, no. And yes. So for me, it's all about great taste, good quality, at a good price. And chuckeye tastes so good. It is very tender, and honestly it's better than some ribeyes that I've had. But if you gave me the option and it was free, well, I would take a ribeye. But this is a great way to go. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. If you haven't tried chuckeye before, I encourage you the next time you see it, if you see it on sale or you see it at your local store, give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. Like and subscribe for more videos. And until the next one, Bakes out. Man, that's good. Yeah.